Welcome to ThaiQ, the ultimate game show where contestants take their knowledge of Thailand's rich culture and heritage. I'm your host, Mono, and we will have an exciting lineup of questions that we will challenge the players today. With further ado, let's meet our enthusiastic contestants. Contestant number 1, Naphat from 4EW. Contestant number 2, Caesar from 4DP. Contestant number Ina from 5PC. Contestant number 4, PJ from 5LD. From 6JM. Not least, contestant number 6, Nana from 6JM. Alright, let the ThaiQ begin. Contestant, are you ready? Excellent. Let's kick things off with our first question. Contestant 1. Contestant, take a look at this image. What is the name of this dish? Audience, you can tell me. What did you write down on your board? The correct answer for this question is Khao a renowned Golden Tigers, achieved the prestigious title of the top-ranking curry in 2023. Awarded by Taste at Glass website. Alright, fantastic start. Let's get into our next question. Question number 2. Contestants, take a look at this vibrant Thai dress display. Can you tell me what does this region of the Thai dress belong to? Write down your answers. Is the traditional Southern Thai costume. Question number 3. What is the name of this Thai culture tradition that is now being presented? That's it. Time to expose your answer. What did you write down? Let's see. Hold tight. The correct answer is Pita Kon. Alright, this is a little note. Who can guess who is behind this mask? Pita Kon is a well-known and vibrant tradition in the province, located on the northeast of Thailand. It is celebrated annually from the late June to early July. Alright, fantastic effort so far, contestants. Now, brace yourself for the next thrilling chapter of Thai trivia adventure. Are you all set? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Can you specify the province in which this tourist attraction shown in this picture is situated? Time's up, folks. It's the moment of the truth. What do you judge at? Anticipation rise as we unveil the correct answer for this question is Chiang Rai. Wat Phra, known as the White Temple, is a famous and captivating temple located in Chiang Rai, northern Thailand. It's stunning and unique design was the creation of the accomplished Thai artist, Master Chalom Chai Kosithipat. Impressive knowledge so far, but the journey doesn't end here. Get ready for the next question of Thailand Trivia Odyssey. Shall we? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. We are currently showing previous hairstyle. Can you identify one of them among us? Do. The answer is number 2. Pongdu, a top-knot hairstyle, is a traditional hairdo for Thai kids from the olden days. It is believed that children are wearing this hairstyle will stay healthy and protect from sickness. You're doing the excitement continues as we dive into the next round of Thailand trivia. Are you prepared? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Can you tell me which province in Thailand holds the title for the largest? Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is a northern province in Thailand, covering an area of about 22,436 square kilometers, making it the largest province in the country. What an electrifying atmosphere we have witnessed with some stereo performance. And now, it's time to elevate the stakes. Ready for the next thrilling question? Let's move on to the next one. Question number 7. Presenting to you the renowned character from the classic Thai illustrator. Can you recognize this character? Thought is a well-known character from a classical Thai illustration called Prakapayani, widely cherished among Thai children. Awesome, everyone! You're rocking on the Thai trivia. Keep it up. Let's keep the momentum going as we launch to the next phase. Ready? Let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. You're about to listen to the sound of a Thai instrument. Can you identify which Thai instrument this sound comes from? Anticipation built as we unveil the correct answer for this question is more or number 4. Great job, everyone. We're driving into more of Thailand's trivia fun. Ready for the next question? Question number 9. We are now showcasing one of the well-known Thai children's games. Can you identify what's the name of this game? Markers down, everyone. Ready for the showcase of answer on your board. Revealing the correct answer is Pong Pang. Pong Pang is a popular and enjoyable children's game that used to be played in the central region of the country in the past. Alright, everyone, we've reached the final stretch of our Thailand's trivia adventure. It has been an incredible journey of knowledge and excitement. Ready to tackle our last question and see who emerges as the ultimate Thailand trivia champion. Let's dive into the grand finale. And here's your last question. Question 10. Can you identify the 20th letter of the Thai alphabet and its name? A big round of applause for all of our fantastic contestants who showcased their incredible knowledge and enthusiasm. Now, let's give a huge congratulations to our Thailand trivia champion. The champion is PJ. To all participants, thank you for making ThaiQ a thrilling experience. Your passion for our trivia has really shone through. Thank you for exploring, keep learning, and perhaps we'll meet again for another round of trivia fun. Until, on behalf of the entire ThaiQ team, thank you and have a wonderful rest of the day. สวัสดีครับ